Hello there. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to use AI to make Roblox GFX with absolutely zero effort, except for patching it up a tiny bit at the end. So first, go to this website here. I'll leave a link to it in the description, and type into the box Roblox GFX, and it works best if you add the word simulator to the end, because most GFXs are from simulators. And so I'll just type that in, and I'll be back when it's finished generating, which will take about a minute. So here are my results, and as you can see, some of them are quite messed up, but there are two at the bottom which look pretty good. Well, at least with a bit of editing. So most of their faces are pretty bad, but as long as their body is okay, you can use them. So once you choose the one that you want to use, take a screenshot of it, and I'll be loading it up into my editing software called Critter. So I'll be back when I do that. I'm going to be using the one at the bottom right corner. As you can see, yours probably will be different from mine. Okay, so now I'll be using the sharpen brush, which will be found under the brushes menu in FX, to sharpen the image because it is a bit blurry. So go over to the FX and select the sharpen brush, and sharpen areas you feel necessary. If you sharpen too much, though, it will start to look bad, so be careful on how much you sharpen it. I'll just sharpen some things like the roofs of the houses to get detail out, and then his legs. And so now we will go find the normal brush, because we will be replacing, painting over his face, so you can't see it because currently it's very messed up. So click on the color menu and click on the color pick tool and pick your skin color. Then paint over the face. Now select a tool, a brush like the pencil, and then you can scale that down and draw on a face. That's just an example of a face that you can draw on. You can draw on a much more detailed one if you want, or copy and paste an image. Now, what we're going to do is I'll just quickly show you how to, if there's a distorted limb, how to select that. So you need to select the freehand selection tool, because and then you'll be able to create a freehand selection around its leg, like I'll do here, and then copy that with the select tool. Now make a new layer, click Command V and delete the other layer. And now with the new layer that has it on it, you can click the transform tool, move into position, go to the other transform tool after you've moved it correctly, and then you can scale it a bit. Once you've got it how you want it, then you can change the mode of it and then rotate it to get it into the best position you can. Now, so after that, I would we're going to be using the brush tool again, and we're going to be using the recolorize tool, which is really good for adding lighting effects. So with this brush, you can add in some lighting if you change the color to what you want the lighting to be, and then you can change its opacity down and usually the size down so it's not too intense, and then you can paint on light to your character if you have a light source that you want there to be. Now we're just going to do another quick patch. We're going to see how the left arm is kind of, it has two kind of white lines, so select the brush tool and use the colour picker again and patch that. And that's it, really. Bye, and thanks for watching. I hope you learned something or thought this video was useful. See you in the next one.